Hello there. Yellow and I are back to show you this beautiful farmhouse on 1.3 acres in North Holland. Let's go inside and see what you're gonna love. What you're going to love about this house is that there are 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3 full baths, and the primary ensuite is on the first floor. It's on the first level. And then you have not 1, not 2, but 3 bedrooms and a full bath upstairs. You will absolutely be amazed by the outbuildings. There is a pole barn that has a workshop in it. There is an entire 500 square foot office. It's the coolest place. And then you have a sauna. It's the cutest little sauna. And I have heard great things about dry saunas. They just have so many health benefits, and you have it right outside your back door. If you have any questions whatsoever or would like a showing, please call me at 616-834-4828. We'll see you soon.